Do you need more sales? In this video, I'll be sharing with you my top hacks for improving overall sales in the Amazon space. My name is Ron Parker. I'm a brand manager here at My Amazon Guy, and I'd love to share with you my top hacks for improving overall sales on Amazon. Let's dive in. So, I've got our website pulled up here. And if you haven't already, go check out the main image CTR hack page. I'm going to be talking all about this, and you definitely should go check it out. But basically, my hack number one is images. Images, images, images. If I were to tell you any top recommendation I have just to really focus on, it's testing new images always. Be testing everything. Titles, bullets, A+ content. Everything. Test it, test it, test it. Images are critically important. It's like the driving factor that determines if somebody's actually going to be clicking on your listing, is the image itself. Is it clickable? Go check it out. We've got a great example of what this should really look like on our website already. And I'm sure you've already heard about this idea of just really improving your main image. Go through our website, get some ideas, and start thinking about how you can start improving your main image and put that into place. Test it out and make sure it actually works for you. So that's my first tip right off the bat. And I actually like to share you some examples of this as well. So first things first, Age of Sage, we've got the 4-pack pulled up here. And I think this is a wonderful example of what it should look like. It's warm, it's inviting, it's colorful, it's super high resolution, you can zoom in, and there's no loss in clarity. And in comparison, if you were to look around on the space and maybe compare your product versus others and your images, maybe yours looks more something like this, where the boxes are a little blurry, the soaps look a little blurry, and it's laid out less than ideal. It's not as fun and inviting, right? So go test your main images. And you might be wondering Ron, where do I go to start this? I actually pulled up Age of Sage, the Age of Sage account here, and I want to just show you, move my image out of the way here. I want to show you where to get started. Go to Brands in the hamburger menu, and go to Manage Experiments. Get some experiments started today. Go do it right now. Honestly, my best tip for you. Second, I would highly recommend working on your A+ content. I've got the Mom Box pulled up here. I'm sure you've all seen this before. Outstanding reviews. Look at this, 4.8. Solid. And if I scroll down, this is just a wonderful example of what good A+ content should really look like on your product pages. Specifically, so I would go through update to A+, premium A+, right now. Go do it, and literally make sure you put videos in there. They're huge. Go put a video in your A+ content, and you will not regret it. I guarantee you're gonna start seeing more sales. So lastly, as a bonus, if you do your A+ premium, add the add to cart section here and recommend other products that you sell. Honestly, I can't stress it enough. These are critically important to your success on Amazon. I highly recommend going through, testing your images, go in there, get your A+ content updated to premium, add some video. If you found this information valuable, you may also appreciate hiring My Amazon Guy and requesting me as your brand manager. Go on over to our website, click on the link, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. We would love to help you grow your sales on Amazon.